In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get coordinates in Google Maps. If you've ever needed the exact latitude and longitude of a place for a project, a form, a GPS device, or just to share a pinpoint location with precision, this quick method will give you accurate results without any extra tools. First, open Google Maps in your web browser. You don't need to sign in for this to work. Just make sure the map has fully loaded and you can see the area you're interested in. Take a moment to get your bearings so you're centered on the right region. The more accurately you're positioned on the map before you select a spot, the more precise your coordinates will be. Now, move your cursor to the exact point you want. Right-click directly on that location. Try to click on the map itself rather than on a labeled icon or business name, because your goal here is to mark the exact spot on the ground. If you're aiming for a trail junction, a building corner, or a point in the water, placing your cursor carefully helps avoid small errors. When you right-click, you'll see a small menu pop up. At the top of that menu, Google Maps shows a pair of numbers. Those are the coordinates in decimal degrees. Click those coordinates. This action tells Google Maps to select that precise point and bring the coordinates to a place where they're easy to copy and reuse. After you click the coordinates, look at the top of the page in the search bar. You'll see the same pair of numbers appear there. That's your latitude first, then your longitude, often with negative signs indicating west or south. For example, a latitude might look like 37.4219 and a longitude like 122.0841. Highlight the text in the search bar and copy it. You can use your usual copy method to grab the full string exactly as shown. This ensures you're getting a clean, standardized decimal format that most apps and services accept. That's all there is to it. Open Google Maps, right-click the location, click the coordinates that appear, and copy them from the search bar. If you ever need to double-check what you copied, you can paste the pair of numbers back into the Google Maps search bar to visualize the exact point again. With this simple workflow, you'll always have precise coordinates ready whenever you need them.